For your safety, please stay behind the yellow line.
Local trains glide through the wintry landscape of old Echizen province. Today, we travel the entire 53-kilometer length of the Echizen Railway near the Sea of Japan in Fukui Prefecture. The train presses on through the snow. Rivers and mountains, an abundance of nature. What encounters await us along the way? Look at this beautiful snowy landscape. Oh, the air feels clearer up here already. A zazen session at a 770-year-old Buddhist temple. The champion of seafoods. A 300-year-old festival. And the artisans who keep its traditions alive. Let's train cruise through a winter wonderland in Fukui Prefecture. Hello. Welcome back to Train Cruise. I'm Loretta, and as you can tell, it's a little snowy outside, but that's okay. I'm really excited because as you can see behind me, we're going to be taking a local train today, the Echizen Railway, to see the best, the magic of Fukui Prefecture in winter. We're in Katsuyama, located in Fukui's northeast. Hey, travel buddies. You guys coming along? Maybe next time, huh? All right, let's step inside. Our journey begins at the city's main station. The station building was built more than a century ago and was recently renovated to its original appearance. Look, more dinosaurs up there. Katsuyama claims the title of Japan's leading dinosaur city because of the large number of fossils excavated in the area. This monument welcomes visitors to the town. The city hosts Japan's largest dinosaur museum. It's temporarily closed for renovations, which is a pity, but I'll definitely be back for a visit. Eiheiji口までチケットお願いします。
580円頂戴いたします。
はい。こちらで。
ありがとうございます。1000円お預かりいたします。
You don't see tickets punched like this anymore at urban stations. Okay. All the trains on this railway have white bodies with a blue and yellow pattern.
ありがとうございます。
And we're off! The trains run from 5 in the morning until 11 at night. And during the day, there's one every half hour. Our first stop on this trip is a leading Zen Buddhist temple. There it is. It's the Kuzuryu River. It's coming along with us on this trip. But look, it's still going, not frozen yet. And everything is complete whiteout, covered in snow. It's so gorgeous. I love snow country. The Kuzuryu River, Fukui's main river, flows 116 kilometers into the Sea of Japan. It's known around the country as a great mountain fishing spot for sweet fish and cherry trout. The crew on the trains during the day are called attendants, not conductors.
そうなんですって。平日やっと出てないんや。どうしよう？歩いてく？歩いてく？
The attendants' main job is to collect fares and assist the elderly and other passengers in need. They also provide tourist information.
はい、お待たせしました。越前竹原から新保までの切符です。はい、ありがとうございます。すいません、お待たせしました。
They are the friendly face of the Echizen Railway.
観音町の往復。はい、そしたら。
すごい、いつもこうやって電車の中にいますか？
そうですね。日中はいつもこのように乗務させていただいて、はい、いろんなお客様と、お話ししたりコミュニケーションを取らせてもらってます。
すごいですね。電車が可愛くてちっちゃいけど、
一両でね、
心が大きい。すごい。
ちっちゃいこじんまりした電車ですけどね。はい。
初めて見ましたこんな。
そうですか。ありがとうございます。
The next stop is Eiheiji Station number 12.
And this is our stop.
Take a taxi or bus for Eiheiji Temple.
This is the access point for Eiheiji, one of Fukui's leading temples. Hello, こんにちは。チケットです。あとエイヘイジ行きたいんですけど、どう行けばいいんですか？
あとはバスになるんですけど。
バス、はい。9 temple-bound buses run each day, in sync with the train schedule. It only takes 15 minutes. Eiheiji stands deep within the forest. Cleaning is part of the monks' ascetic training. Young men come to Eiheiji from around Japan and abroad. They leave behind mundane life and undergo rigorous training for anything from 6 months to a few years. To reach the temple's entrance, you'll pass through the village that grew up around it. "500-year-old cryptomerias flank the main approach. Wow, you really feel a sense of grandeur in here. Everything, the stones, the trees, the path, everything is kind of oversized, so you feel a little bit kind of like small in this big world.
Konnichiwa.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
One monk gives me a special tour.
お参りくださいました。
ありがとうございました。
はい、ここが七道伽藍のですね、一番長い廊下になるんですけれども、
美しい。
はい、もう床もですね、毎朝修行僧が雑巾がけをするので、もうだいたいいつもピカピカになってます。ワックスはかかってないんですね。
あ、そうですか。
はい。ここからずっと上がっていきます。
美しい階段です。
はい、じゃあ一緒に行きましょ
う。頑張ります。
はい。
Eiheiji is built on the mountainside, and the main buildings are connected by stairs and corridors.
こちらがですね、永平寺を建立作られた、はい、道元禅師様のお廟である常陽殿があるんですけれども。
Dogen laid the temple's foundation. He studied the precepts of Soto Buddhism in China and preached them in Japan.
私たちここを通るときは必ず常陽殿に向かって合掌、手を合わせて一礼をしていますので、ぜひご一緒にお願いします。はい。はい。The stairs climb to the temple's principal location, the lecture hall. This building, where services are held and sutras are read every morning, is central to temple life. Now, to get a taste of monastic life. こちらが禅堂になります。一般の方々のための座る場所ということで、使っております。
Eiheiji holds zazen sessions 3 times a day for lay people. Zazen is the practice of unifying the spirit and reflecting on yourself. It is one of Dogen's most important teachings. First, you are shown the correct posture.
親指の先と先を丸く触れ合わせます。そう。この手の形がロレッタさんの心を表しているような、そういう思いで丸い心をですね、保って北海上位を行ってください。はい。
You face a wall or blank surface to help keep your concentration.
そして座禅の最中は、私たちの体からたくさんの刺激があるかと思います。例えばちょっと顔が痒くなってきたかなとか、もしくはお腹が空いてきたかなとか、そういうのがあるかと思いますけれども、座禅の最中はそういう体からの刺激、体からの情報に一切とらわれない、そして、ありのままのですね、自分に立ち返っていくというのがこの座禅であると言えます。
Now the 20-minute session begins. Videography is not allowed. So there are many times where we use the words of Zen or feeling Zen, but I think for the first time I didn't just think of the word, I really felt it with my body and my mind. And I think I have a closer idea now that I've experienced that this sense of what actually the goal is here is not necessarily to maybe not just empty your mind like we say in English, but actually just to kind of let things go. So it was very cool to actually feel the experience and not just think about the words for the first time. Now to resume my journey. I think I see it. Here we are. Dun, da, da. I'm visiting a sake brewery just a minute's walk from the station. Konnichiwa. Hello.
どうもいらっしゃいませ。
こんにちは。Chief brewer Tanabe Joji oversees all sake production here.
ようこそいらっしゃいませ。
すごい中身がすごく昔ながらの感じがしますね。
はい、ありがとうございます。
The brewery, established in 1899, offers a taste of Fukui through their sake.
こちらにあるお酒の銘柄すべてがうちの蔵で今作っているお酒になっております。
すごい種類豊富ですよね。
そうですね。ちょっとせっかくなので、この中からちょっと私のちょっとおすすめするお酒をちょっと1種類飲んでいただこうかなと思います。坂誉という2019年に福井県で新しく誕生した酒米で作った純米大吟醸になります。お水ももちろん九頭竜川っていう川が流れてて、そこから井戸水がうち伏流水湧き出てきますので、もうオール福井の
丸ごと福井。The eponymous sake that uses this new rice has won an award and is gaining a reputation as a top quality sake. Itadakimasu. Ooh, kind of a bright flavor. A very bright and clean, clear, crisp flavor. And very easy to drink. Breweries are busy in winter producing sake with the freshly harvested rice. Tanabe-san takes me on a tour of the brewery out back.
今こうちょうどお酒が
はい。
発酵し始めてるっていうところのタンクがこちらになるんですけど、
はい。Okay. Ooh. Sake is made with rice, water, and koji mold. The mash was transferred into this fermentation tank a week ago.
夜中とか僕ら見回りをするんですけど、このタンクからこのプツプツという音が聞こえるっていうのがなんか神秘的で非常に僕は好きですね。
すごいですね。Wow, you'd have no idea just looking from the side, but it's like a party in here. It's definitely alive. It's so cool.
生き物なんですけど、あまり言葉は発しないんですけど、それをこの泡の状態とかで僕らはその見分けるっていうか、
伝わってくる。
はい、なんかずっと見てるとなんかやってほしいことがわかるんでまあ子育てとかと同じみたいですね。はい。
Back on the train again. Fukui Station is the terminal for both lines of the Echizen Railway. "10,000 students and workers commute on the Echizen Railway every day. It is a vital mode of transport for Fukui residents." The railway, however, has not always enjoyed a smooth ride. The line first opened as a private railway in 1914, the first electric line in the region. But the national government ordered the railway to cease operations after 2 collisions in 2000 and 2001. When the railway announced it would discontinue services, local residents strongly opposed the move, but the two parties could not reach an agreement. There, Fukui Prefecture and numerous municipalities decided to co-fund the establishment of the newly named Echizen Railway. After the railway reopened in 2003, emphasis was placed on boosting services so more people would choose the train over their cars. As a result, the rail line has become an integral part of local life. We are actually going to make a quick changeover from the orange to the blue line, and we're taking that train right up there. A new initiative added unique departure tunes at the stations. the melody on this line, which ends at the coast, was inspired by the gentle seas. Now, for the last half of our journey, we head towards the sea in search of local winter delicacies. Heavy snowfall is pretty rare here in December. It's snowing all right. Now for a sweet break. Konnichiwa.
はい、いらっしゃいませ。
Just look at all the sweets and cakes on offer, but I'm looking for one in particular.
今でしたらね、この水羊羹がね、有名なんですね。
これですか？
はい。これ福井の人はね、
はい、
これ一人でペロッと食べますよ。
一人で？
はい。もっと好きな人はね、こちらのサイズを
わあ、
一人でペロッと食べます。
大きい。This jelly fills a special place in the hearts of Fukui residents. It's a summer treat in other regions of Japan, but here, it's a winter favorite. Let's check out the kitchen.
これが今水羊羹を冷やしている状態です。
すごい、チョコレートみたい。
普通の練り羊羹は硬いですね。
硬いね。
はい。この水羊羹はものすごく柔らかい。はい。
The jelly is made from mashed azuki beans, sugar, and agar. This mixture is then poured into molds and left for half an hour to set.
はい、どうぞ。
このままですか？
はい。
All right, guys, we're gonna dig in. It's still kind of warm, really, really fresh. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little taste for you here, right out of the corner there. Whoop! It pops right out. Yasashii yashi. It's so light, kind of festive, and perfectly sweet. I really like this. If you're one of those light, sweet type of lovers, this is your treat. At unmanned stations, you buy your ticket on the train.
お待たせしました。太郎丸あわらい生つば400円です。
ありがとうございます。あれ命でおりますけど、 その辺で温泉楽しめるところありますか？
車出てもらって左側に足湯がございますので、
左、はい。
なのでタオルなくても自動販売機でタオルの設置販売されているので、どなたでも、はい、すぐに入ることができます。
すごい。
ぜひ行ってみてください。
Beyond the rice fields sits Awara Onsen, one of Fukui's leading hot spring destinations. The town outside the station has close to 30 inns and lodgings for visitors to relax and enjoy the local hospitality and culture. The footbath the attendant told us about is freely available to the public from 5 a.m. until 11 p.m. Soaking your legs from the knees down improves circulation, relieves swelling, and warms icy feet. It'll also help you sleep better at night. Okay. The water is a hot 42 degrees Celsius. After a winter's day, this hot water is quite the shock. Whew. My feet are loving me right now. Our next stop is Mikuni Station, a port town near the Sea of Japan. The Mikuni district flourished more than 200 years ago as a port along the trade route between Hokkaido and Osaka, and vestiges of that time can be found around town. This Machiya-style building, which doubled as a workplace and residence, was owned by a generations-old timber dealership. Today, it's preserved as a museum. Here we are. Oh, wow. Now that's a huge lantern. All right, let's check it out. こんにちは。色の違うものとか形も違うのもあって、これ全部手作りですか？
そうですね。このうちは全部手作りでやってる提灯屋なんですけど。
This lantern maker has been in the trade since 1947. Kojima Maria is the third generation to run the business. 女性としてやってるっていうのが珍しいですか？
娘で継いでるっていうのは多分すごく珍しいのかなっては思います。はい。
なんかガールパワーすごく感じますけど。
ありがとうございます。ガールパワー。
The 3-century-old Mikuni Matsuri is held each May. The lanterns made at Kojima's workshop play an important role in this traditional festival. Residents hang them from the eaves of their homes to lend the old town a magical atmosphere.
だいたい自分の作った提灯って分かるんですね。その字の形であったり、その塗り方であったり。あ
れはどういう気持ちですかね。あ、またマイベイビーみたいな。
そうですね。ああ、お嫁に行った提灯やなっていう感じはしますね。
Kojima's lanterns have recently been attracting attention from abroad, too. The middle lantern was commissioned by a French artist. Kojima made 280 of these cocoon-inspired lanterns for the interior of an old Parisian department store.
今の時代やでかいろんなところでその提灯の可能性っていうのがすごく感じられるので、やっててもすごく楽しみな部分もすごくたくさんあります。
Kojima offers visitors a special experience.
こちらになります。
かわいい。日本。
ありがとうございます。ちょっとね畳敷きで。
かわいいです。Now, to make my own lantern. First, you decorate the washi with stamps representing the best of Fukui. No peeking. No peeking. You're peeking. Okay. Yoshita!
すごい綺麗。
I put the train on top of the words Fukui in commemoration of our trip. Beep. Ah, kawaii.
すごい。
Kojima began these workshops in 2018 so people could enjoy lanterns in daily life.
大丈夫、そんな感じです。OK, OK.
Once you've made the frame, you apply paste and carefully cover it with the stamped washi. So cute. Kawaii.
可愛いですね。
And especially looking at each stamp, there's a little memory inside of places we've been, things we've seen, things we tried. It's a really personal, just for me, just for us on this adventure. Now for the last stretch of our journey on the Echizen Railway. All right, we made it to Mikuni Minato, our final stop on this journey. Just look at this vista, the mouth of the Kuzuryu River. And beyond, there you see the Sea of Japan. Here, the fishing boats return to port after a long day. Winter is the busiest time of year. Their haul consists of male snow crabs. The crabs caught in Fukui Prefecture are referred to as Echizen crab, the champion of seafoods, and they bear yellow tags as proof. The auction begins at 7 p.m. Watch their fingers as they bid. Only appointed local brokers can participate in the auction. It depends on the crab's size and when they are caught, but one crab alone can fetch around 30,000 yen, or $230. Snow crabs thrive in the low temperatures found in the depths of the Sea of Japan. Gourmands from across the country come to Fukui to savor this firm, delicious crab meat. Whoa! This is insane! Look at this! This is a delight, a feast for the eyes, and hopefully the mouth very soon.
繰り返していただいて、
はい。
煮ていただいて、
はい。わ。おー。Look at this. So juicy. Oh, it's so sweet and so soft, so tender. It's melting. It's gone. It's already gone. It's melted. It's gone. Whatever you're imagining right now, flavor-wise, double it. It's double that deliciousness. And then more. It's so good. Ah! Crab innards, called kani miso, are a delicacy in Japan. Creamy. The natural salt of the sea. And so fresh. Kind of sweet almost. いつもこんな風に食べてますか？
いえ、食べれません。私たちもなかなか高いので食べれません。見てるだけで。
港の人たちをみんなこうやって食べてるのかなっていう。And the perfect way to end our trip, Tojinbo is famous for its sheer cliffs eroded by the elements. What's really special about the Echizen Railway is that it's not just a train that takes you on a sightseeing trip. It's an actual local way to get around that brings you not just to places, but also to amazing people that wait there. And also inside the train as well. The attendants that are on the train to help you get around, to make sure that your time on the train is actually warm and welcoming. It's truly an amazing experience, just like everything here in Fukui. So come here to Fukui and try the Echizen Railway for a trip away that feels like home.